Welcome to Future-Proof Your Drive, where we demystify the technology keeping you safer on the road. Today, we're diving deep into an often overlooked but absolutely critical aspect of modern vehicle maintenance: ADAS sensor calibration after repairs. Understanding why this process is essential, and what it entails, is key to ensuring your advanced driver assistance systems perform optimally and keep you and your loved ones safe. ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, are the silent guardians in your vehicle. Think about features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, or blind spot monitoring. These aren't just conveniences. They're sophisticated safety nets designed to prevent accidents and mitigate their severity. They represent a significant leap forward in automotive safety, and virtually every new car sold today comes equipped with a suite of these technologies. The magic behind ADAS lies in an intricate network of sensors, cameras, radar, lidar, and ultrasonic sensors strategically placed around your vehicle. These sensors act as the car's eyes and ears, constantly monitoring your surroundings, detecting obstacles, tracking lane markings, and assessing distances. They feed this data to your car's central computer, which then makes split-second decisions to assist you in driving. The precision of these sensors is paramount. Imagine a single pixel shift on a camera or a millimeter off on a radar beam. In the context of a moving vehicle, that small misalignment can translate into meters of error down the road. This isn't just about functionality. It's about the difference between your automatic emergency braking system detecting a hazard accurately or completely missing it. Your safety, and the safety of others, hinges on these systems operating with pinpoint accuracy. Hey race, where things get interesting, and often surprising for many drivers. Many common vehicle repairs, which seem entirely unrelated to these high-tech systems, can profoundly impact ADAS sensor performance. This is because the sensors are typically mounted in precise locations that can be disturbed during even routine work. Ignoring this post-repair step can render your advanced safety features unreliable, or worse, dangerous. Let's start with one of the most common culprits: windshield replacement. Your car's forward-facing camera, often responsible for lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beams, is typically mounted directly to the windshield. When a new windshield is installed, even if it's the exact OEM part, the camera's position relative to the road and the vehicle's centerline changes. This slight shift is enough to throw off its perception, making calibration absolutely necessary. Next up, consider bumper repairs. Many vehicles house crucial radar and ultrasonic sensors behind the front and rear bumpers. These are vital for adaptive cruise control, parking assist, and blind spot monitoring. If your bumper has been replaced, repainted, or even just removed and reinstalled, the sensors behind it may be ever so slightly misaligned. This can lead to inaccurate distance readings or even complete system failure for features like automatic emergency braking. Even seemingly innocuous repairs like suspension work or a wheel alignment can necessitate ADAS calibration. Changes to your vehicle's ride height or steering angle, while crucial for handling and tire wear, can alter how your forward-facing sensors perceive the road ahead. If your car is subtly pointing slightly up or down, or if the wheels are not perfectly aligned, the ADAS systems will be working off incorrect baseline data, leading to erroneous actions. So, what happens if you skip calibration? The consequences can range from annoying to potentially catastrophic. You might experience false warnings, systems engaging at inappropriate times, or, conversely, failing to engage when needed. Imagine your lane keeping assist trying to steer you into an oncoming lane because its camera is misaligned, or your automatic emergency braking failing to detect a stopped vehicle ahead. These aren't just theoretical scenarios. They are real dangers posed by uncalibrated ADAS. When it comes to the calibration process itself, there are generally two primary methods: static and dynamic. Static calibration involves using specialized targets and equipment in a controlled shop environment. Technicians position these targets at precise distances and angles in front of or around the vehicle, allowing the ADAS cameras and radar systems to be recalibrated to their factory specifications. This method is often required for forward-facing cameras. Dynamic calibration, on the other hand, involves driving the vehicle under specific conditions. This might mean maintaining a certain speed for a defined period, driving on specific types of roads, or encountering certain environmental conditions. During this drive, the vehicle's ADAS systems gather data and learn their environment, effectively calibrating themselves. Radar systems, for instance, often require dynamic calibration to ensure they are accurately detecting objects at various ranges. Regardless of the specific method, the calibration process requires highly trained technicians, specialized diagnostic tools, and often proprietary software. It's not a simple plug-and-play procedure. It involves precise measurements, often down to the millimeter, and ensuring all relevant software is up to date. After the calibration is complete, a test drive is usually performed to confirm that all ADAS features are functioning as intended, giving you peace of mind. So, who can perform ADAS calibration? This isn't a job for just any repair shop. You'll need to seek out dealerships, certified independent repair facilities, or specialized auto glass shops that have invested in the necessary equipment and technician training. Always ask your repair facility if they are equipped to perform ADAS calibration for your specific vehicle make and model, especially after any repair that might affect sensors. In conclusion, ADAS sensor calibration isn't an optional add-on. It's a non-negotiable step to future-proof your drive and maintain the integrity of your vehicle's advanced safety features. After any repair involving your windshield, bumpers, suspension, or even certain bodywork, make it a point to inquire about ADAS calibration. By understanding its importance and ensuring it's properly performed, you're actively contributing to your safety and the optimal performance of your technologically advanced vehicle. Drive safe.